Hey, Alhamdulillah, Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar, Astaghfirullah. Y'all know I had to do this beat reaction. Human Nature, Michael Jackson, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Freestyle coming to this, y'all already know.
Love the boy. Just say hi, your camera. Say hi, YouTube.
Oh, Hazy got a song coming soon. Yeah. Hey, the best part. Hey. Yo, yeah. Gotta flow to this, yeah. Just let me flow to this, I seen so much trauma. I seen so much pain. I seen a whole lot of sunshine. And I made it through the rain. I came a long way. Got a long way to gain. Took a whole bunch of losses. I got a whole bunch to gain, ayy. I'm really trying to get paid, ayy. Off this music shit, yeah. Detroit is a crazy place. Thank God I made it safe. Damn, I did 5 years in the state penitentiary. This shit crazy as fuck, dog. It felt like I did a whole century. Damn, a whole lot of misery. What the fuck? Just listen to me, This freestyle isn't for free, but it is, it's a style for free. This freestyle is crazy as fuck. Yeah, it's in my human nature to go crazy as fuck, but I'm humble too. Yeah, I do my own thing. Yeah, don't crumble, dude. And make sure, if you stumble too, make sure you gotta stand up and walk again, my dude. And for the ladies out there, self-care, yeah. Don't disrespect yourself for these bitch niggas out here. Yeah. Do your own thing. Yeah. Be a young queen. And to my young kings, stop following fake dreams. Even though we all got dreams. Even though it ain't always what it seems. Freestyle off the top of the dome. I did it without the chrome. I don't promote about gun violence and smoking and drinking, dog, but I'm blowed. I just smoked a blunt, but it wasn't runts, yeah, but I ain't picky, get me the Reggie, but I smoke sticky, yeah, it's in my human nature, It's in my human nature, yeah, it's in my human nature, It's in my human nature, it's in my DNA, I don't hate you, I show love. No grudge. Even if you did me dirty in the past, I'm still worthy. God, all praises due to him. Yeah, I pray to him. It's only one God. Why y'all out here worshiping other things? That's odd. I never understand that. So I just stand back and stand my ground. Yeah, I stand and smile. Yeah, I'm standing proud. I'm trying to make my mama smile. Yeah, I stand tall like the Eiffel now. Yeah, you already know I'm human nature. It's my nature. It's human nature. Yeah. Yo. And the way my brain works, Yeah, you see my brain spark? Yeah, it's like sharp motherfucking needles and darts. Cause you know I'm on point. Through the light and through the dark. Through the light I shall spark. Through the light, you already know I shine bright. Yeah, like the Edison light. Yeah, like the Renaissance building downtown Detroit. What a good feeling. Yeah, this beat sound like a championship. So I'm spitting, trying to get the championship. You already know I am. Yeah, get with the program. Get with the program. This is a slow jam. Yeah. It's in my human nature. It's in my human nature. Yeah, it's in my human nature. And did I tell you that I love you? It's one God, nothing above him. Yeah, we all shall die one day, and we shall see him and covet him. But until then, y'all out here following trends, trying to get likes, trying to motherfucking spend your money on shit that don't even matter at the end of the night. Yeah, we all gonna die. Some of us is gonna fry. And some of us, ayy. And some of us, ayy. Some of us is gonna die. And some of us is gonna fry. Some of us is gonna be in the light, shine. Some of us is gonna fly up in heaven. Yeah, I'm a lethal weapon. You already know. Can't mess with me, dog. Yeah, I come through the block and through the fog. Yeah, it's in my human nature. Hey, I don't promote violence. I promote the good happiness and smiling. You already know I'm trying to see the money piling. Yeah, I'm from Detroit. Peep how I'm styling. You already know. Why the fuck you raving and riling? Calm the fuck down and yeah, switch your position. If you motherfucking mad and pissed off, it might be you motherfucking own fault. Yeah, be your own boss. I've been fired so many times. Yeah, I can't wait to be my own boss. I'm trying to have workers, but I don't mind being a fucking worker. You gotta start from somewhere. Yeah, it's blurry, but some clear. Yeah, you already know, dog. Even through the snowfall. Yeah, imagine if the motherfucking fire fell. You already know, I'm fire as hell. Yeah, it's in my human nature. Yeah. West Side, Dexter Boys, Detroit, East Side, Southwest, ayy, Northeast, Northwest, ayy, Southfield, Hamtramck, Dearborn, Inkster, ayy, Flint, ayy, Pontiac, let's go, Detroit, let's go, It's in my human nature. It's in my human nature. Peace. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah. It's only one God, worship him alone, no partners. Come to him. Hey. Until next time, peace. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it. Ayy, Detroit, Dexter boy, ayy.